Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a crowded place you have been to. You should say, when you went there, where the place is, who you went there with, and explain how you felt about the place.
One of the crowded places I visited last year is the famous Chandni Chowk market in Old Delhi. Chandni Chowk is an old and traditional market that has been in existence for centuries. It is a bustling bazaar, famous for its narrow streets, vibrant colors, and aromatic food stalls. Chandni Chowk is always crowded, with thousands of people visiting the market every day. It is particularly crowded during festivals and weddings, when people come from all over the city to shop for clothes, jewelry, and other items. The market is full of shops selling a variety of products, including spices, fabrics, jewelry, and electronics. The food stalls are particularly famous, offering a wide variety of delicious street food, including chaat, samosas, and jalebis. If someone wants to visit Chandni Chowk, it's best to go with a group of friends or family to navigate the crowds and make the most of the experience. It can be overwhelming, especially for someone who is not used to such a crowded and chaotic environment. Overall, Chandni Chowk is an exciting and vibrant place, offering a glimpse into the traditional bazaar culture of India. While it can be crowded and overwhelming at times, it is a must-visit for anyone interested in exploring the rich history and culture of Old Delhi. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.